Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Shashni YouTube channel. Selalangan dan Suga dan Gongsi saluran saya. Okay friends, now we see GDL predictions. First we see the winning proof for 12/07/21. This winning proof for 12 July 21. Okay friends, first we see the diamond chart winning proof. Many more times I told already the square shape come out in this diamond chart, very important one, and the square shape come out mostly the circle areas. The circle areas mostly come out the square shape. For example, I told already 1, 2, 3, 4. These positions many more times come out on top. You focus the square shape, you focus the round area, this round circle areas. Then particularly this area many more times coming on top. So 12/07/21 also 1, 2, 3, 4. This particular area, the square shape come out on top for 12/07/2021 in this GDL predictions. This one come out on top. And many more prices come out in my diamond chart, and same the power chart also same number come out in this position, this L position. I want tell you the power chart this time mostly come out like this, these positions, like these positions. I mean the cross positions. Many more numbers come out previous draws like this L shape. The cross positions many more times come out like this cross L shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. This also come out on top like these cross positions. Also many more numbers come out in this cross position. So you predict well cross positions also same like this L shape. Okay friends, thank you. And many more prices also come out both charts. The diamond chart come out the special price also 0474 the T shape. The lock number also, it's all winning proof for 12/07/2021. This T shape come out special, and 9412 also. I many more times I told already that T positions many more times like this 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. This side or this side T positions mostly come out. So the 12/7 also 9412 1, 2, 3 and 4. These T positions come out the special price 9412. This position special price, and 0244 come out straight numbers also sometimes come out. Many more times I told already the straight numbers also come out these positions. 0244 the lock number also locking ready come out on special straight number. This is my diamond chart winning proof. And the power chart, see the power chart special price also 3004, like these cross positions, same like these cross positions 3004, this L shape. And 0474 special 0474, this L shape 0474, this L shape special. And another one special 9412, like this cross. Many more cross positions come out in my power chart, so you predict well the cross positions also. 9412 also 9412, this L position cross, this L positions. Many more cross positions come out in my power chart, so you predict well cross positions also. And one constellation 1879, this one also come out the square. And this Z shape also same number 1879, with lock number also locking. This is my winning proof. And the T position also same 1879 constellation. Many more prices come out in my power chart, and same time the diamond chart also, and top numbers also come out ready. Okay friends, thank you very much. Okay friends, now we see the GDL predictions for 14/07/2021. This is for 14 July 2021. Now we see the diamond chart first. The diamond chart number is 7 0 3 4 9, again 7 8 2 1, again 1, and 5 3. This is my diamond chart for GDL prediction. Okay friends, now we see the power chart. The power chart number is 1 9 8 1, 0 7 3 2 6 7, again 3, again 1, 5 4 0 9. The power chart is a very important one in this power chart. And L shape also, like these cross positions also, you predict well cross positions. Okay friends, now we see the power chart lock numbers. The power chart lock number is 7 and 5. This is for power chart lock numbers. And the diamond chart lock number is 1 and 7. This is my diamond chart lock number. Okay friends, thank you. You concentrate, again I want to tell you, concentrate the square shape, the circle area, mostly you concentrate the circle area for the square shape. and the T shape 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. This area you concentrate in this diamond chart. And Z also the power chart, mostly you concentrate in this area, the center area. And like this, the cross positions also many more times come out, and these cross positions also. So you concentrate the cross positions for L shape. Okay friends, thank you very much. This is my GDL predictions for 14th July 2021. Thank you very much. Best of luck. Terima kasih.